Hi there. Today we're talking about how to use your Young Living essential oils internally. We've talked about diffusing oils, we've talked about putting them on topically, and today we're going to let you know how to take them internally. Your kit comes with a line of oils in a white label marked Vitality, and Young Living has a complete collection of oils that are our Vitality line, and that's letting you know you can take them internally. You might see the same oil with two different labels. So a lavender essential oil and a lavender vitality essential oil. And what that's telling you is you can use lavender topically, aromatically, and also internally. Our vitality line is GRAS certified by the FDA, letting you know that they are safe for ingestion. And the labeling just lets you know that an oil cannot be labeled three ways. It can't be labeled topically and internal at the same time. So there's just two separate labels letting you know you can take lavender vitality, take that internally, and you can also use lavender aromatically and topically. So same oil, just two different labels. Okay, so like I said, our Vitality line are GRAS certified by the FDA. And one of the ways that I like to use them internally is, let's just take, for instance, DiGize. DiGize is an oil I will use for my digestive system. If I am having stomach issues, I like to take DiGize in a capsule. So there, you can get vegetable capsules right on Amazon, or even like a vitamin store will have them. And I buy a package of clear veggie capsules, if you can even see these. Okay, and I will put a few drops of my Vitality, and then I'll also add in a few drops of carrier oil, and then that's my capsule. And I will take that. I like to add peppermint to it as well. Peppermint Vitality, also in your kit. So I'll do DiGize and peppermint and some carrier oil, and I'll take that with some water. So you can make your own capsules. One of my favorite ways to take them is I'll take my lemon, because I love my lemon, in a glass of water. You can use stainless steel or glass, but you never want to use plastic. The essential oil will break down the plastic, and then that plastic will be in your water, and then you're going to be ingesting that. So you want to make sure you're always using glass or stainless steel. And so I put 2 drops in my water, and I'll drink this throughout the day. I love the flavor it brings, but I also love what it does, and it helps bring toxins out and flushes your system. So I love using lemon in my water. Another way you can use them is if you just want to add them right to some honey. You can put a drop of lemon in honey and just take that. I love to make thieves tea, and that's just some hot water. You don't want to make it too hot because you don't want to ruin the properties of the oil, but you can warm up your water and add some thieves, a drop of thieves and a drop of lemon and some honey, and that's amazing. It's very soothing. It's great for your immune system. And you can also use these in recipes. So if you're cooking, if you're making some brownies, add a drop or 2 of peppermint. They are awesome. Peppermint brownies, amazing. I've used them in soup. I've added some rosemary Vitality. I've added some oregano Vitality to my cooking, and it comes out amazing every time. So we use them in cooking. You can also put a drop right underneath your tongue. That's another way you could take it internally. And I think that's it. So that is using your Vitality oils internally and getting the benefits that way. Okay? Thanks, guys.